been searching for the perfect face serum? You already know how overwhelming the options can be. The truth is, not all serums are created equal, and choosing the wrong one can mean wasted time, money, and results. Whether you're looking to hydrate, brighten, fight fine lines, or restore your skin's plumpness, the right serum can transform your skincare game. Today, we're breaking down the best face serums you can get right now, covering their features, benefits, and real-world usability so you can pick the one that works best for your skin's needs. At number 1, TruSkin. TruSkin Vitamin C Serum is a cult favorite. For good reason, it's designed to brighten skin tone, fade dark spots, and smooth texture, all while supporting collagen production. This serum uses a plant-based formula that's gentle yet effective, making it ideal for a wide range of skin types. It's an accessible option for those who want the antioxidant power of vitamin C without breaking. The bank.key features: TruSkin combines 20% vitamin C with botanical hyaluronic acid and vitamin E to create a multitasking formula. The vitamin C works to brighten and protect against environmental damage, while hyaluronic acid deeply hydrates. Vitamin E enhances antioxidant performance and nourishes the skin barrier. The serum is also free of synthetic colors, added fragrances, and parabens, making it a clean option for daily skincare. Benefits and usage: daily use of TruSkin Vitamin C can result in visibly brighter, more even-toned skin, with reduced appearance of fine lines and dark spots. The antioxidants help shield the skin from pollution and UV-related free radicals, delaying signs of aging. Apply 3 to 5 drops to cleanse skin in the morning before moisturizer and sunscreen for optimal benefits, or use at night for extra repair. Usability: the lightweight texture absorbs quickly without leaving any sticky residue, making it suitable under makeup. It layers well with other skincare products and doesn't cause pilling. The dropper bottle makes it easy to control the exact amount needed, and its non-irritating formula works for sensitive skin types. Durability: each 1-ounce bottle lasts approximately 6 to 8 weeks, with daily use depending on the amount applied. The amber glass packaging helps protect the formula from light degradation, preserving the potency of the vitamin C when stored properly. It maintains effectiveness for the product's full shelf life. We have CeraVe. Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Serum is designed for those whose skin craves deep hydration without heaviness. Backed by dermatologists, this serum focuses on replenishing moisture and restoring the skin's natural protective barrier, making it ideal for dry, sensitive, or combination skin. It's especially beneficial in colder months or dry climates, where hydration is key. Key features: this serum contains 3 essential ceramides, which help maintain and restore the skin barrier, combined with pure hyaluronic acid for moisture retention. CeraVe's patented MVE technology ensures that hydration is released gradually, keeping the skin moisturized all day. It's non-comedogenic, fragrance-free, and formulated with a smooth, gel-like texture. Benefits and usage: consistent use of. This serum improves skin's softness, suppleness, and overall smoothness. It instantly boosts hydration levels and reduces the appearance of fine lines caused by dryness. Apply a pump or 2 to clean. Damp skin both morning and night, followed by moisturizer. The serum can be used alone or layered with other active ingredients such as vitamin C or retinol, without irritation. Usability: it's gentle. Non-sticky formula absorbs quickly and feels weightless on the skin. The pump dispenser is hygienic and convenient, delivering the right amount with each use. Because it's fragrance-free, it's a go-to option for those with sensitive or allergy-prone skin. Durability: a 1-ounce bottle typically lasts 6 to 7 weeks with twice daily use. The formula remains stable over time, and the pump design minimizes air exposure, ensuring that the hyaluronic acid and ceramides maintain their potency. in at number 3 is the SkinCeuticals C E Ferulic SkinCeuticals C E Ferulic. Serum is widely considered the gold standard in antioxidant serums. This high-performance formula targets visible signs of aging, brightens skin, and provides unparalleled environmental protection. It's especially popular among skincare professionals and enthusiasts who want clinical-grade results at home. Key features. The serum features a potent blend of 15% pure vitamin C L-ascorbic acid, 1% vitamin E, and 0.5% ferulic acid. This trio of antioxidants works synergistically to neutralize free radicals, boost collagen production, and enhance skin firmness. Its patented formula is backed by extensive research and proven to remain effective for at least 72 hours on the skin. Benefits and usage. With daily use, SkinCeuticals C E Ferulic reduces the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and hyperpigmentation while improving overall radiance. It's best applied in the morning to clean, dry skin, before moisturizer, and sunscreen. A few drops go a long way, delivering lasting antioxidant protection throughout the day. Usability. The serum has a watery texture that absorbs quickly but leaves a slightly tacky finish. That disappears after a few minutes. It's amber glass dropper. Bottle ensures precise application and protects the formula from light exposure. It works well under sunscreen and makeup without causing pilling. Durability. A 1-ounce bottle lasts about 3 months. With consistent daily use, the packaging is designed to preserve stability, though the formula can oxidize if left open, even as it darkens slightly over time. It retains much of its effectiveness within the recommended use period. Our 4th spot is La Roche-Posay Hyalu B5, the La Roche-Posay Hyalu B5. Serum is formulated to restore hydration, improve elasticity, and smooth fine lines. It's especially targeted for those with dull, dehydrated skin that needs a plump, revitalized look. This French pharmacy favorite is trusted worldwide for its dermatologically tested, sensitive skin-friendly formula. Key features. The serum combines 2 types of pure hyaluronic acid for surface and deeper hydration, vitamin B5 to help repair, the skin barrier, and La Roche-Posay's signature thermal spring water for antioxidant benefits. The formula is free of parabens and contains no harsh alcohols, making it gentle for daily use. Benefits and usage. With regular application, Hyalu B5 visibly plumps skin, smooths fine lines, and enhances skin's bounce. Vitamin B5 helps soothe irritation and supports skin recovery, making it great after sun exposure or active treatments. Apply a few drops morning and evening to cleanse skin before moisturizer for optimal hydration. Usability. The gel-like texture glides easily over the skin and absorbs quickly without stickiness. It layers well with other skincare products, including retinoids and acids, without causing sensitivity. The dropper bottle ensures controlled dispensing, reducing waste. Durability. A single 1-ounce bottle lasts 6 to 8 weeks with twice daily use. The formula remains effective throughout its shelf life, and the opaque packaging helps protect its active ingredients from light and oxidation. Finally, at number 5, we have Olay Regenerist Max. The Olay Regenerist Max Hydration Serum is designed to deliver maximum hydration and anti-aging benefits in one. This serum is particularly effective for those seeking smoother skin texture, improved firmness, and visible wrinkle reduction. It's part of Olay's popular Regenerist line, known for its science-backed formulas. Key features. The serum contains Olay's highest concentration of hydrating actives, including niacinamide, vitamin B3 to even skin tone and strengthen the skin barrier. It also includes peptides to boost collagen production and lock in moisture for all-day hydration. The fragrance-free formula is dermatologist tested and suitable for all skin types. Benefits and usage. With consistent use, this serum reduces the look of fine lines, brightens dull skin, and deeply moisturizes. Niacinamide helps fade discoloration, while peptides work to improve firmness. Apply 2 to 3 pumps to cleanse skin morning and night before moisturizer for best results. Usability. The silky texture spreads easily and absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. The pump packaging is user-friendly and hygienic, and the formula layers effortlessly under makeup or other skincare. Durability. A 1.3-ounce bottle typically lasts 6 to 8 weeks with twice daily application. The airtight pump preserves the potency of the ingredients and protects them from contamination and oxidation when it comes to skincare. The right face serum can make all the difference in how your skin looks and feels. Whether you're aiming for hydration, brightening, firming, or anti-aging, each serum we've covered offers targeted benefits backed by quality ingredients. The key is choosing the one that matches your skin's needs and sticking to a consistent routine. With the right serum, you're not just improving today's glow, you're investing in your skin's future health and resilience.